In the distant future, humanity faces a cold truth: the sun, our life giver, will one day devour us. Its aging heart swells with an inevitable fury, promising destruction. To escape its wrath, bold minds conceive a terrifying idea: move the entire solar system itself. Not away from fate, but against it. This plan is called a stellar engine, a machine so vast, it would harness a star's entire power to drag it across the galaxy. It's the ultimate defiance of cosmic order. A rebellion against entropy itself. We call it progress, but beneath its brilliance, something ancient listens. Imagine a structure larger than planets, mirrors spanning millions of miles, reflecting the sun's light into unimaginable thrust. Radiation becomes propulsion. Gravity itself bends at our command. But every act of control over the cosmos ripples into the unknown. Our sun, once a symbol of stability, becomes a captive engine. A fire chained to our survival. Scientists whisper of the Shkadov thruster, a mirror that tips the balance of solar radiation, gently pushing the sun through the void. Slowly, imperceptibly, we move. Centuries pass, and movement becomes motion, motion becomes displacement. The sun drags its cosmic children behind like a ghostly caravan of drifting worlds. From a distance, we are a bright scar moving through endless darkness. The galaxy watches in silence. The nations of Earth no longer look to the stars, they chase them. Billion-ton factories orbit the sun, feeding the construction of reflective giants. Entire moon cores are sacrificed for materials. Progress feels holy, but something unseen begins to stir in the dark. When the stellar engine first ignites, there is no explosion, only a slow hum that resonates through space. The sun's radiation bends. Space-time ripples like fabric under strain. For the briefest second, the universe itself seems to hesitate, as if aware of us. But cosmic silence does not mean consent. Moving a star distorts more than light, it bends cosmic memory. Ancient electromagnetic waves, billions of years old, shift. Some say we hear echoes of forgotten civilizations swallowed by their own ambitions. As we glide forward, strange anomalies appear at the cosmic horizon. Light bends without cause, dark matter pools unnaturally. Radio telescopes pick up pulses, rhythmic and intelligent, echoing our engine's hum. Some call it feedback. Others call it a warning. The further the sun moves, the colder the galaxy around us becomes. Stars blur and stretch as if fleeing. Blackness deepens, swallowing color, sound, and certainty. Our home drifts into a region where time flows differently, slower, heavier, ancient. Scientists detect distortions in the sun's corona, patterns that should not exist. Geometries of impossible symmetry flicker in plasma arcs. Some believe they are mere data errors. Others whisper they are messages, older than the stars themselves. Whispers turn into dread when entire probes vanish near the sun's surface. Data feeds cut out mid-transmission, replaced by low, droning signals. The waveforms resemble human speech, but stretched across infinity. We recorded them, and we wish we hadn't. Around the stellar engine's mirror array, shadows begin to move with intent. They dance against radiation that should obliterate them. Engineers swear they see shapes, humanoid silhouettes shifting just beyond glare. Some call it stress. Some refuse to go near. As the sun accelerates, ripples in cosmic background radiation reveal vast patterns, circular, recursive, resembling eyes staring from beyond time. The realization hits: we are being observed by something born in the abyss, drawn by our defiance. The stellar engine grows restless. Solar flares twist unnaturally, curling into spirals of darkness within fire. Spectral readings describe regions where energy vanishes, as if light itself is consumed by something unseen. The void hungers, and it has noticed motion. Religious movements rise from the fear. Some worship the engine as a god, believing it opens a path to transcendence. Others see it as blasphemy, the final insult to a universe built on chaos. Either way, faith turns inward, and the stars remain silent. Centuries later, our descendants live under a sun held hostage by technology. Artificial nights stretch longer. The stars around us seem rearranged as the system glides deeper into void. Humanity looks outward, and feels eyes looking back. Astrophysicists detect gravitational waves that should not exist, oscillations as if something massive were mirroring our trajectory. Computations reveal an inconceivable truth: another engine moves elsewhere, synced perfectly with ours. We broadcast a greeting, a cry across light years. The response arrives not as sound, but as distortion in our sun's magnetic field. For 12 minutes, the sun flickers like a heartbeat. Patterns emerge, recognizable, deliberate. They are not of human origin. Soon, all reflective panels face strange burns, patterns akin to fingerprints etched in radiation. The design matches ancient mathematical constants. We have been marked, not just observed. Something out there has claimed our moving star for its own purpose. Engineers attempt shutdown, but the systems refuse to halt. Power readings spike beyond physical constraints. Light bends within mirrors, folding inward into impossible geometries. Space itself seems to curl, drawing energy from nowhere. We are no longer in control. In deep observatories, cameras capture hazy silhouettes forming around the sun, translucent tendrils stretching into the void. They pulse as if alive, weaving patterns of orbiting gravity. The sky itself looks sick, convulsing under weight unseen. Every planet feels the toll. Magnetic storms rage without pattern, auroras burn black. Communication collapses as background radiation mutates. The cosmic microwave whisper grows into a deafening hum that drowns thought. The sun has started to sing. Then, silence. Total. Instruments flatline, light dims, sensors report infinite brightness and infinite absence. A paradox made manifest. When systems return, we are elsewhere, stars we knew are gone. The galaxy has changed around us. Our new sky is unrecognizable, no constellations, no familiar glow of the Milky Way. Instead, a red-black expanse, breathing with slow, pulsing motion. The sun flickers weakly, surrounded by faint shadows that orbit like moths around a dying flame. The stellar engine still hums, but its rhythm is different, slower, deeper, resonant with something ancient. Calculations suggest we have moved outside the galactic plane, into intergalactic dark. Some theorize we are moving toward something enormous. Long-range scans detect gravitational patterns resembling a colossal structure ahead, larger than clusters of galaxies. It absorbs light and time both. Its edges blur as if reality unravels near it. It isn't a black hole. It is a construct. Data fragments reveal geometric symmetry far beyond comprehension, angles that shouldn't exist. Some researchers collapse after viewing the recordings, rambling about dimensions folding inside themselves. It wears the cosmos as camouflage. The stellar engine begins tilting toward it. Not by control, but by gravity, or something like curiosity. The sun responds like a tethered animal sensing its master. We try to sever the connection, but the force deepens, drawing us nearer. The final transmission from the lunar station describes an impossible sight, the black horizon opening like an eye. Within, golden veins glimmer across darkness, forming patterns of pulsation, almost breathing. Then, the feed ends. The sun strains, its light dimming with each cycle, as if drained by what waits ahead. The planets trail like burned embers through an ocean of shadow. Humanity prays, fears, and records, witnesses to our own cosmic abduction. No voice answers, no signal escapes. The deeper we go, the weaker physics becomes. Light wavers in slow motion, time fractures into discernible echoes. We are entering a region beyond existence, where even the void has architects. Inside the darkness, a shape stirs, bigger than galaxies, colder than death. It does not move, yet motion emanates from it, like the slow beating of eternity. The sun's light splinters as if refusing to illuminate it. The universe averts its gaze. Our stellar engine falters, panels tearing under unseen pressure. Radiation screams in surges that burn the sensors to blindness. Briefly, recordings capture something vast reaching across reality, a hand made of horizon. Then, static consumes all. Eons may pass, or seconds. The void swallows our engine, our sun, and us. Yet somewhere, faint in the endless dark, the hum continues. It is not ours anymore. It belongs to the stars we disturbed.